Airshow China 2024 has become an event that has stolen the world's attention, where China officially showcased a mock-up of a sixth-generation fighter jet called the White Emperor B. Held in an outdoor arena, the exhibition, which opened on Tuesday, November 12, featured a full-scale mock-up of the futuristic designed fighter jet, stunning visitors with its appearance that at first glance looks like a plane in a science fiction movie. Designed by the Aviation Industry Corporation of China, AVIC, the White Emperor B not only offers a futuristic appearance, but also implies significant progress in China's air military technology that has the potential to rival the strength of other major countries. The sixth-generation fighter jet concept on display has been designed for dual missions, with stealth capabilities, allowing the aircraft to adapt to various air combat scenarios. AVIC claims that this aircraft has the ability to improve the interaction between the pilot and the aircraft more intuitively and efficiently. Thus, pilots will find it easier to operate and maintain the aircraft and achieve high combat efficiency. This claim is in line with the development of modern military technology, where ease of maintenance and operational efficiency are top priorities in designing new generation fighter aircraft. Experts speculate that one of the main features of the White Emperor B is the integration of advanced artificial intelligence, AI. The inclusion of AI in this sixth-generation fighter jet is predicted to provide better data fusion capabilities, allowing the aircraft to collect, analyze, and respond to information from various sources quickly and precisely. This opens up opportunities for the White Emperor B to coordinate optimally with drones, which are also an important element in modern combat strategies. With more advanced data integration, this aircraft can form a tactical network where pilots only need to focus on strategic decision-making, while AI takes care of the technical aspects and coordination on the ground. This feature is very relevant in the concept of a sixth-generation fighter jet, where interoperability between manned and unmanned aircraft is key. The White Emperor B is projected to be able to work in coordination with unmanned aerial systems in a single combat unit. In combat situations, the AI on the White Emperor B can take over control of the surrounding drones, giving the pilot the ability to strategize without being distracted by operational details. This is a futuristic vision where manned and unmanned aircraft work together in precise harmony. The presence of this mock-up also indicates that the White Emperor B is likely undergoing an intensive research and development phase. With technological advances such as AI, advanced sensors, and inter-aircraft networking capabilities, the White Emperor B could be China's first step in setting new standards in the world of military aviation. If this project is successful, China will have a fighter aircraft that is not only capable of competing in combat missions, but also leading in air data collection and analysis technology. Finally, the exhibition of the White Emperor B mock-up at Airshow China 2024 is not only a demonstration of technological progress, but also a strong signal that the global competition to develop a sixth-generation fighter jet has begun in earnest. For China, the White Emperor B is not only a symbol of innovation, but also a representation of the country's ambition to dominate the air and determine the future of military defense in Asia and the world. With this step, China seems to be trying to prepare itself as one of the leaders in air military technology in the coming era.